Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, what I'm going to be showing you guys is an installation that we've carried out into a Citroen Relay van. What we're going to be doing is installing a racking system, but we're actually using two separate systems here. We're adding a glazing racking system as well as adding in an Edstrom racking system that will also allow for racking when you open up the side door, as well as the fact we've got an internal bench so we can work from inside the van as well. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit the subscribe button below. Other than that guys, let's get started. So firstly, as you can see, this product looks absolutely amazing. It transforms the look of the actual vehicle, plus it gives you a professional look. One of the key things about adding glazing racking system, rather than being on the outside, which is more of a traditional style, adding it onto the inside, there's a couple of key things. Not only does it protect your actual product that you're selling, so when it arrives at a customer's door, it is protected, it is safe, and it also looks incredibly professional. However, it also maximizes the signage that you can put on the outside of the vehicle, which is very, very essential. Generally, any glazing company will be using a vehicle this sort of size, which basically means that the outside of the vehicle is a very, very large area for promotional parts. So what we can do is completely sign write the vehicle. So we do complete sign writing solutions as well, so the vehicle can be fully equipped here. We do full lighting systems, we do the racking system, so we can do it all in-house with one company. So all your warranty is all in one place. In terms of system, what we've done is customized, designed and spec this all in-house. So on my left hand side here, we've got a full glazing system on the left hand side, so it's the full length of the van. On my right hand side, what I've got is a half rack, and then what we've got is an Edstrom racking system, which we'll move into over shortly. In terms of the system, basically what this system allows for is a carpeted pad to allow the glazing to basically go up alongside there. Plus we've also managed to get in these little poles. Basically what this pole does is you put your glazing in here, you lean it up so it's at a slight angle, and all you do, depending on obviously how far your glazing is coming out, you put these into the posts that are marked out and located on the floor, and they sort of angle together, and then all you do is just tie it at the top to give you an extra bit of security, plus your glazing is still protected by a foam pad here. So a very, very cool bit of kit and how it works and how it operates. So it's really easy to use, plus you've got loads of different variations depending on whether you've got a larger piece maybe here and a thinner piece towards the back of the vehicle. So you can customize this and get as much as you can into the van as possible. Plus you actually increase your loading capacity and what you can put onto a vehicle by having it internal, because obviously now you've got the full width of the van, which you couldn't do put the same amount on the outside of the vehicle. So not only does it increase your productivity, increase also what you can carry, but the main thing is it looks incredibly professional when you turn up on site. So also what we've also been able to do is, obviously when you're looking at a racking system, the glazing system that you mount to the outside of the vehicle, you have no shelving, you have none of that. So what we've done is not only introduce the glazing system on either side of the vehicle, we've also got shelves in on behind each panel as well. We've got storage down at the bottom, shelving all behind, so you're maximizing the space. It's not dead space now, it's actually utilized to make you more productive, make it easier for you to work and make you guys more money. So it is a bit of an investment doing something like this. However, it does pay off for you guys because you'll be able to be more productive and you'll look more professional, therefore giving you more work as well. So hope that gives you an idea of how that works. I'm going to move over to the Edstrom system now so we can show you exactly how that's been put together. If you haven't done so already, make sure you check these guys out. We'll drop all the links below for enhanced windows. So basically, as you can see already from the racking system that they've gone for, is they're taking care in terms of products that are going to be arriving at your door. So it's a very, very well trusted company. They're relatively local to us as well. So what I'm going to be doing is just showing you inside the left-hand sliding door. So this vehicle has one sliding door and then barn doors on the rear. So as the doors open, as you can see, it's completely kitted out with a System Edstrom racking system. We do a couple of different ranges of this sort of product, but every single system we do is designed, spec'd and installed completely bespokely as well. So in terms of the system, what we've done is behind here we've got a bench. So from inside the vehicle you can work in a controlled environment. However, in terms of these systems, we've designed and spec'd these to exactly how the customer wanted. So these are on a little tag where you pull out the drawer, and then you've got the little boxes, which are really nice, so you can organise these exactly how you want and you can customise these as well. So they just basically sit inside there, really nice and easy to use. And you hear that click there, that's basically just showing you the quality of the product. This sort of racking system is designed and spec'd in-house, so we generally like to sit down with you. We'll go through exactly what we've done. We'll show you some other examples of systems we've done before as well, which is quite nice. So we've got all sorts of different options. We've got drawers which are on runners. We've also got drop-down boxes like there, so you can slide things in nice and easily. And that just clicks back in. And then also what we've got is more drawer compartments here. Again, we can customize this in terms of different sizing. So obviously, when we're speccing a system, what we need to know is what you guys are putting into your vehicles to improve your efficiency. And we'll design and spec that accordingly, because obviously, depending on the size of equipment that you're putting in, you might find these smaller drawers are more useful to you than the slightly larger drawers. So like this customer's gone for today. So we've got plenty of the little drawers. We've got 3 of the toolkits. Then we've also got these drop-down boxes as well, which are really nice and easy to use. So that just gives you an idea of what's involved in a system like this. Basically, vehicle comes in, it gets stripped out, racking systems gets built and put in to the vehicle and secured, mounted to general fixing points in the vehicle. So not only does it look incredible, plus the main thing is it can be moved from vehicle to vehicle. So it's not a one-time one for one van. If you change your vans every 3 years, for instance, if they're on lease, it's not a problem. The kit can come out and move to your next vehicle. So just bear that in mind as well when you're looking into this investment as a purchase. Hopefully you found this video useful. You've seen how the system's been put together in terms of the Edstrom racking system as well as the glazing racking system into this Citroen Relay van. If you don't own a Citroen Relay van or you want a slightly different configuration, it's not a problem. All of our systems are completely bespoke. You book a consultation with us, we'll sit down with you, we'll design, spec and price your system up for your fleet or individual van. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with any future installs that we're carrying out. But other than that, guys, thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to upgrading your fleet soon. Thank you.